Hello, and welcome to my YouTube channel. Welcome to Seafarer album page 2, 3 and 4. It is not a real flip through, but I can show you some pages, and I will do a lot of more videos, especially for my embellishments, and all my embellishments are made for this album. This light blue on the dark blue one is a flap. You can open it. I made a ribbon around, and now you can see that you can open the left side, and now you can also open the right side. And when you can see the nice paper, the right paper has a little mark on the left side, but I will fix this problem later, but not now. Yeah, it is between these pages is a pocket, but this is now the back side of my second page, and I made different flaps, and this is an envelope I glued on the blue flap, and behind there is a belly band, and on the top are also two flaps, and everything is closed by this little tag. I made a little hole with a crocodile into the paper, and it is all held together with bread. Here you can see the pocket. Now I have 2 pages in my album, but I have to do a lot of more, and this is now the time I have to explain something, because I must say that I wasn't able to make videos of all my little steps and all my crafting, but I took photos, and sometimes I try to minimize my videos, and I hope this will help you a little bit to understand what I made. And I have to try to make videos not so long, because I have so many things to show. I have many videos I prepared for my embellishments, and I hope you can see everything, and you have also a lot of fun with my little album. And I must say it was a great experience, and I had a lot of fun with it. Now I want to introduce you to my page 3. And now, do you recognize my paper? Yeah, perhaps you remember that I made with my jelly plate different papers. And this is one of these papers. And I used my jelly plate, different distress oxides, and a little bit of brusho. Yeah, and of course I used again stencils, and it was a lot of fun to make it. I really can give you the tip: try it and make your own papers for backgrounds or something like this. Yeah, here are now my flaps, and I show you now that I hide my gluing, and I made it also with my top and with my bottom flap. Yeah, when you plan something, you can decide where you can glue your paper, and you can hide things with designer paper. I like this special printing because I think all fits together. The prints of this digital papers are really great. Yeah, here you can see my pocket between the pages, and here, now you can see my cards. I made these cards with stamps from LaBlanche, and I made maritime scenes. I made a video how I made these cards. If you want, you can watch my video. I made a special playlist. The name of the list is Stempeln, that means stamping. And perhaps you want to know how I made it, and I used a special paper from LaBlanche. Yeah, this is the main structure of my third page, flaps, right, left and top. And I will make different things inside, but this is not the time for all my embellishments. I only want to show you my main structure. And now it is time for page 4. Yeah, this will be my last page in my album. On the right side you can see the front part of my page 4, and you can see the little envelopes. All these papers are from my digital print I bought from Etsy, and yeah, there's also a ribbon and there's something I made on my own on the ribbon, but you will see it now. Yeah, now you can see my front page of the fourth page, and this is a very, very large flap, not a real belly band, but something like that. I glued 2 different envelopes. These are little envelopes. I glued only a part of it onto my blue paper, and inside my little envelopes are also tags and some little embellishment I prepared. Yeah, and on the bottom you can see a pocket, and you can also put something inside, something like a tag or something like that. Yeah, and now you can open my belly band. It will turn to a belly band, but I show you how I make that. These are cards, also digital prints. And this is now something I thought it is a good idea to have something extra. It is ribbon, and this is something you can put onto your paper, onto your ribbon. And I made the resin on my own. It is a handmade resin, and I put something like glitter in it, and now it has an amber look. I like this embellishment with an amber look, but perhaps it is a little bit thick. And yeah, now I want to use it for my ribbon, but I don't know if this will be the place I will use it for all the time. I must see. Behind the ribbon is the fish of a digital print, and yeah, you can put things behind the ribbon and close the flaps, and yeah, I think it is a nice page. Yeah. When I now turn the page, you can see my pocket again, and yeah, I must think about it what I will put inside these pockets. And this is now my last page. I have an open gate folding page, and it is closed with a cotton ribbon, and this is now a little embellishment. It is the closure of it. Yeah, and behind these flaps are also little pockets, big pockets, not little pockets. You can put things behind, but now I want to go to my last page. The middle page is a designer paper. I think the design is perfect for my middle page. On the left side I made a little pocket, and you can put things inside my pocket, and over it is a belly band and yeah, again a flap, and it looks like a card. You can open it and you have now the designer paper on it, and behind is the normal blue paper. And now the right side has also a flap and a pocket with an embellishment with a fish on my little card, and yeah, also the blue paper behind. But I can tell you that I will do many things on my papers when I will finish my album. I show you now the flaps and also the pockets inside my flap. I used it for my cards. I had used my digital print and I cut my paper, and so I have now nice little cards for my pocket. This is now the main structure of my album, but I can tell you that is not the end. I have many more videos and I can show you all the details and embellishments I prepared for my album. So it would be nice if you subscribe to my channel and you will never miss a video again. Yeah, and I hope this was an inspiration for you, and perhaps you want to use these inspirations for making your own album. I think it is great to do something like this because you can create something very unique and nobody else will have something like this. Wouldn't it be great to have a special album for your photos, for your letters, for your postcards, perhaps for your recipes? It must not be a Seafarer album. You use your papers, perhaps your digital prints, perhaps your own handmade papers. There are many possibilities. I made a mixture between things I made on my own and also things I bought. Yeah, I bought the digital prints and also the blue papers, of course, but there are many other papers I made on my own. Yeah, and if you like it, it would be nice. And perhaps you want to subscribe to my channel, and I hope to see you soon again. I wish you a wonderful day, and I say now bye bye.